Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your Make Money Online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
Nothing beats the power of AI. It's 10 times faster, easier, and more profitable than any human or standard software you ever saw. This is why multi-billion-dollar companies investing heavily in this new AI technology. They know it will make them tons of money. But what if you can leverage AI too? We managed to create a one-of-its-kind AI app that will create, promote, and monetize DIY websites for us, without us doing any work whatsoever, and without spending $1 upfront. We simply exploited ChatGPT-4 and its AI model to do everything for us. I will be honest with you, this new ChatGPT-4 powered app will not make us millionaires. However, it makes us on average $17,349.56 every single month like clockwork. And since we didn't spend a penny to make this money, it means it's all pure profit to us. We don't have to pay for any service or apps. Every day, we wake up to hundreds of dollars in our accounts waiting for us to spend. And if you want to know how we are able to do that, give me just 60 seconds, and not only will I show you everything, but I will also give you the same AI app that is responsible for all of our success. You see, AI is changing the world. We can't keep up with it. Millions of people will lose their jobs in the next months, many companies will go bankrupt, and some professions will become obsolete. But instead of being scared of that fact, we used it to our advantage. We created the world's first AI-powered app that creates, promotes, and monetizes websites for us. Let me explain. In order to make any kind of money online, you need a website. It's your central hub that people can view and take action. That's basically how you make money online. But creating a website is not an easy task. It requires a great technical experience and knowledge of at least 2 programming languages. Even using templates and stock websites is not easy, as you need to configure everything yourself. And that's only creating the website. You still need to fill it with unique and engaging content. Not just any content that will engage the users and turn them into customers to whatever you are trying to sell. And you can expect to pay thousands of dollars for a professional content creator to get that done for you. But that's not it. Now that you have a website, you need to drive traffic to it. You need real and targeted people to view your website. It's just a nightmare. But what if you can get all of that done for you? What if you can leverage AI to create a stunning and optimized website for you in any niche? And then fill it with unique, human-like content that is guaranteed to turn normal viewers into paying customers. But that's not all. It will then send a massive amount of targeted clicks to your newly AI-created website, resulting into money like this for us. Hey, my name is Pranchu, and on behalf of my BizMart team, I'm happy to introduce to you WebGenie, the world's first AI app that creates, promotes, and monetizes DIY websites in any niche in 30 seconds or less. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with WebGenie. Step 1. Click on any of the links below to get instant access to WebGenie for a low one-time fee. Step 2. Choose your theme and let the AI take care of everything for you. Step 3. Profit. Just sit back and watch thousands of clicks come to your newly created stunning AI website. That's it. There is no technical setup, there is no learning curve, and zero upfront cost. It doesn't matter if you are just starting out or you are an experienced marketer. As long as you are aiming to make extra money online, WebGenie is for you. WebGenie works for affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, e-com store owners, book publishers, social media marketers, coaches and mentors, and anyone looking to create a passive side income online. By now you might be wondering how much it costs. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I can charge anything I want for it. I mean, it's making us a bit over $17,000 per month. So, as long as I'm charging you less than that, you're still making a profit. The thing is, if I decided to charge you $5,000 or even $1,000 for it, many people who really need it won't be able to afford it. It's a huge commitment to pay thousands of dollars upfront like that. And to be honest, I make enough money from using WebGenie myself, I don't need to charge you all of that. So for a limited time only, you will get full access to WebGenie for a small one-time fee, less than the price of a cup of coffee. However, that won't last long. I don't want to overload my servers and end up paying more and more fees. So I will have to limit the number of licenses I can offer. If you still see the buy button below, you're in luck. Go ahead and click on the button to get instant access. And with our 30 days money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Pick your copy now, and if for any reason you did think WebGenie was worth every penny, just send us an email, and we will send you a refund instantly. No questions. We don't like to play games. So what you're waiting for? Go ahead and pick up your copy now, and you will unlock bonuses worth over $2,486. Click on the button below and I will see you inside.